Hi there, I'm Moose. I'm a photographer working with Little Green Pig, and today I'm going to show you how you can make a book at home using just one piece of paper, a pair of scissors, and of course your imagination.
Okay, so to start with you'll need a piece of paper, scissors, and if you want to do sticking you'll need glue, and for drawing and writing you'll need pens. So the first thing you need to do is fold your piece of paper in half. Make sure you get the corners all matched up and make sure you do a really good crease. Then open your paper and fold the paper the other way. And again do another nice crease. You can use the edge of a scissors or edge of a spoon to make the crease even more solid. And then fold the paper the other way. Again, make sure you've got all the corners matched up. And then again, flip it round and fold it the other way. It's all about getting the creases very well sorted here. I like to do it like this. That works for me. Then you open the paper and you fold into the middle of the paper. So you've got that line to meet. Unfold it and guess what? Yep, you fold it around the other way. Crease, crease, crease. You can use any kind of paper to do this. You can use wrapping paper, newspaper, a carrier bag, paper carrier bag that is. Fold into the next corner. You can always pause this video if you need time to do your creases. Fold over the other way. Now you can see the shape that your pages are going to be. All those little rectangles. Open up. And then you fold the paper in half that way, the way that you started. And now you're going to do the cutting in the centre there. So you go into the middle of the page and cut to the first crease. There you go. And now you're going to pinch. This is when you're going to be glad that you've got good creases. You do a little pinch here. And ta-da! Look, you've got your book. Do a little bit of folding, a little bit of pressing. And that is the start of your book. Ta-da! At Little Green Pig, we'd love to see your ideas. So if you can, do send them in. Here's a few that were made in the summer. This one was made from scraps from a magazine. So for this one you needed glue, pen and scissors. This one was made using the wrappers that are on tin cans that you find in your kitchen cupboard, and also a little carrier bag. Took ages to do this one. If you're going to do some sticking, make sure you've got lots of time to let the glue dry. This one was so much fun. Literally, I did a scribble and then coloured in, and it took ages, and it was so satisfying. Here's a teeny tiny one, just to show you that you can make the smallest book and put it in your back pocket. So that's it from me. Now it's over to you. Have fun making your books, and don't forget to share your work with us at Little Green Pig.